Yeah, hello guys. Yeah, my name is David Resforson, and I want to introduce to you mini importation video tutorials. Mini importation video tutorial. This video tutorial will teach you how to buy stuff from Europe, from Asia to Ghana, and then you sell and then make profit. So let me just go straight ahead and then introduce to you who I am and then what this video tutorial entails. So so like I said, my name is David Resforson. You can see here, this is one of my Facebook pages. This is my personal page on Facebook. I'm a teacher. I'm a science teacher here in Vietnam. So as you can see, these are my colleagues, and this is your man here, this nice looking black face. Anyway, so yeah, that's me. I'm a science teacher here in Vietnam. I've been teaching here since 2019, but I've been teaching all my life since September 2011. So yeah, that's me. And this is my Instagram account. The account handle name is Achabu. You can follow me on Instagram, and then yes, we can vibe over there too. And then this is my YouTube channel. Please subscribe and then like my videos. And if you have any question, don't hesitate to leave it in the comment section. So and then this is my TikTok, where I mostly have fun. So I normally post fun videos, and then videos that teach stuff like this very video. So yeah, this is my TikTok. You can follow me too on TikTok so that we can have fun over there. So that's a little bit about me. So like I was saying, this is in an intro to a video tutorial that will teach you how to buy stuff. But I've been doing this stuff, I've been doing this importation business, I've been teaching people how to do this business since 2005. And when I started, I was doing it in a DVD. So yeah, you can see some people giving testimonies about the DVD back then in 2015. So as you can see on the screen, as you can see, promotion of Lumia 535 must go on. So I ordered a cover and screen protector. So my video tutorial taught this guy how to buy the stuff, and then this other person too, you can read the testimonies on the screen. So and the last person, I guess I should start with Whoa, because I finally watched the mini importation tutorial. It was easy to understand. So that was back in 2015, and these are some more testimonies about my video tutorial. So that was back in 2015. But after coming here in 2019, I've learned some new stuff that I think you're not going to find it anywhere. I'm going to teach you if you want to start shipping and then selling rice from Vietnam. I covered it in the video tutorial. So yeah, that's it. These are some of the things you can buy and then sell and then make profit. Household stuff, kitchen stuff, bedroom stuff. You can buy this water bottle. As you can see, this water bottle, there are some of them that has digital screens over here indicating the temperature of the contents of the water bottle. You can buy phone accessories like phone covers. This is my phone cover. This is a very good looking phone cover. You can buy this is a water dispenser. There's a video should be playing on your screen right now on how this water dispenser works. It's very simple and easy, and when you buy and sell this stuff, you are assured of making some profit, even if it is 1 Ghana cedis. And you can buy some branded items like Adidas, Puma, Under Armour, and all those stuff. Like you can buy Birkenstock. This is a blue Birkenstock that I ordered, and it is of high quality. You can buy and then sell it. You can buy high quality replica jerseys like I'm wearing. So this is Croatia jersey. So yeah, there are so many things you can buy and then sell and then make profit. So yeah, these are some of the things you can buy in this video tutorial series. And my video tutorial is not free, of course, it is for sale, but I'm not going to mention the price here because the price keeps changing. But if you are watching this video, you are likely to get a discount. So please maybe comment in this video, comment below, or just send me a WhatsApp message, and then I'll be able to get you a copy of this video. So this is what you get once you make payment for this video. You get high quality video tutorials that teaches you everything you need to know about this importation business from A to Z. How to register, how to get even a Visa card from a bank in Ghana within 30 minutes of application, even if you are not a customer, an account holder of that bank. So yeah, I covered that in the video tutorial. How to buy very cheap stuff, how to even buy rice from Vietnam, Thailand to Ghana and then sell. And then I will give you a list of items to buy. I keep updating this list, so you are not going to get stuff. I'll be giving you so many lists. There are so many things. It's like, that's why I put these fishes on the screen. There are so many fishes in the ocean. There are so many things in this importation business that you can buy and then make profit from. Yeah, and then I'll be hosting monthly Zoom meetings to address all your concerns. I'll add you to a WhatsApp group once you make purchase of these video tutorials, and then whenever you have any concerns, you just drop it in the WhatsApp group and I'll answer your questions. And then I'll give you a link to a list of all verified rice dealers here in Vietnam. So yeah, this is what I'll be covering. This is what you'll be getting from purchase of this video tutorial. So yeah, if you find this thing interesting, kindly message me or WhatsApp me, and then yeah, you'll get a copy of your video tutorials, and I'll add you to the WhatsApp group and we'll take it up from there. Once again, my name is David Reswosen, and then thank you for your time. Peace.